Hello everyone, welcome to Mana Trends. With Christmas just around the corner, it's time to turn your home into a festive wonderland. In this video, we are sharing simple Christmas decor ideas that will bring holiday cheer to your home. From stunning tree decorations to cozy lighting, we have got you covered with ideas that are easy and budget friendly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mana Trends for more festive tips. Let's get started on making your home magical this Christmas season. Start with a Christmas tree, the centerpiece of your holiday decor. Whether you choose a real tree or an artificial one, decorate it with classic ornaments, fairy lights, and a beautiful tree topper. Add personal touches like handmade ornaments or photos for a unique look. If you have limited space, try a small tabletop tree or even a wall mounted tree using string lights and decorations. Next, focus on lighting up your home. String lights are a must for creating that warm, festive glow. Wrap them around your stair railings, windows, or even your furniture. Candles and lanterns also add a cozy vibe. Choose red, green, or white themed lights to match the Christmas spirit. And don't forget to add some lights to your outdoor space for a welcoming touch. Enjoy soothing Christmas music in the background as you decorate. Let the music fill your home with joy and make decorating a fun and memorable experience for everyone. Thank you for watching. We hope these Christmas decor ideas inspire you to bring holiday cheer to your home. Remember, Christmas is all about creating warm and happy memories with your loved ones. Whether you go for a grand look or keep it simple, what matters most is the joy it brings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mana Trends for more creative ideas. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a season filled with love, laughter, and light.